Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens. We have 23-cent P&G laundry care, which is amazing, and a whole bunch of 90% off like cleaners that are really cheap, and then dental care, and then freebies with IBOTTA. Like, oh my gosh. Now, if your roads look like this, obviously drive exceptionally safely. Or ask somebody to drive you to the store. Just be careful out there. And if you guys can do me a huge favor and like this video, I would be so grateful. In the comments down below, let me know how the weather is where you are living and what part of the US you're from. I'm just kind of curious. Here in Michigan, the roads look like this today, which is scary. So thankfully, my very nice husband drove me to the store first thing. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is Valentine's Day merchandise. That includes the candy and the plushies and the cuties. 50% off. So this stuff, I think they're going to try and move it very quickly to make room for Easter. So probably next week or this upcoming week, it might hit 70%. And I'll let you know the second it does. But if you want it at 50, go today. Now, this items at my store specifically was only 75% off. I know in Texas it hit 90, and it is select orange sticker cleaner. So the stuff that's been living rent free, I mean, you can maybe get this for $1.19. This CLR, and who doesn't need a bottle of this? It's $2.19 at 75% off. We have $1 back from IBOTTA. So I paid $1.19 for a product that's almost $8. And we always need a bottle of this. So I'm very delighted with that. This is another super duper fine. The Pine Allen for 95 cents. And then we also have the Lysol multi-surface cleaner lemon and sunflower for $1.49. And somebody had already bought it in the store. Anything, guys, ask for a price check at the front. We have the micro brand sanitizing spray for $1.99 and another Pine Allen cleaner for $2.79. I'm assuming that's 75% off. They just didn't update the tag. And this is weird. A bunch of off in the dead of winter at 90% off. And I didn't even scan if there was an IBOTTA rebate. I didn't even want to really look at it. But if you need this, definitely stock up for 90% off. Dental care was also 90% off. We have the Fancy Dancy Crest for $1 from $10. IBOTTA's giving back $2. It makes it free and $1 moneymaker for me. So this was my day, and I love that. I only found one, but I'm happy with that. We have this little 4-packs of the kids Oral-B brushes for 40 cents. So that's 90% off. Unfortunately, no digital coupon to go with, but for 40 cents, definitely a great little item to grab. Now, I wish I had found more of these. This is a product my husband actually uses. Clossy's fluoride toothpaste for $1.19, 90% off. Fantastic. And then we also have more fancier Oral-B products for $1.69. The Toms of Maine for 78 cents. I think there might be a rebate somewhere for that toothpaste, so definitely open up those apps and look around. Now, at 25% is a lot of the diapers and the wipes. I want this stuff to either go 50 or 75, and usually it's either Tuesdays or Saturdays these orange tags start getting hung in the store. So a lot of this stuff, even at 50% off, just a bit too rich for this girl. But if you have a little one or a baby shower that you're attending, perhaps these are fantastic prices to use Walgreens cash or register rewards to get on the cheap. And let's remember to open up your IBOTTA, the different rebate apps. Is there a rebate to go with these? I think with Cetaphil, there's a couple on checkout 51 right now off the top of my head. Another freebie that we have are the Kinder Bueno and the Kinder Chocolate. So they're two different products found in the store. So we're just going to talk about these two. So the top one is $1.99 in my market. If it's cheaper at your store, you're going to have to augment the deal because the coupon is $1.99 off of one of these. So if it's like $1.50, you might have to grab like $3 worth and use this digital coupon. Here's the little secret about this digital coupon. It doesn't expire sometime till March. So you have a ways to do this deal. And then that little square that they also sell at Walgreens is $1.99. And we have a rebate for a free item back, like $1.69. So it's like a 30-cent difference. But I think if you find a different one at the front, this one has superheroes on it. That's the only one I could find. Perhaps it might be a little bit less, or if you find them right at checkout, it might be a different story. But definitely 2 items. I mean, if you want to fill up those Easter baskets on the cheap, an idea. We're going to look at a couple deals before we go into those $35 baskets. The first is with the whole blends. That's $4 a pop. For this one, guys, you're going to grab 2 for $8. Alternatively, if you want to grab like a mousse or those stylers, if they are $4 a pop, that's the one you're grabbing. And you're going to load this specific digital coupon. I think one also showed up for whole blends today if you wanted to get a whole blend shampoo. Grabbing 2 of these Garnier products for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per unit. If you want to do this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, but what a great deal for dollar shampoo. Now, this deal with the Colgate is back at $4, $3 reward when you purchase 2 participating Colgate products. We're going to load our best friend, which is this, the 4 off of 2. And this is just a really basic deal. 2 of these for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you want to do this deal with no booster. Everybody's favorite shampoo is the L'Oreal Elvive at $5.99, and we're going to look at a couple coupons that are attaching. The first is a 4 off of 2 manufacturer that showed up this morning, and then the $1 off that'll attach to both bottles. Load both of these coupons. So grabbing 2 of these, it's $11.98. Subtracting that 2 off 2 store and the 4 off 2 manufacturer, you should be paying $5.98. Now, check your IBOTTA. Do you have $1.50 back on one of the bottles? Unfortunately, that rebate has vanished off of mine, but you may have it. So it could trickle down to $4.48 for the 2 or $2.24 per bottle. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so for this next deal, we're going to throw in one of these paper boosters, a 5 back when you spend 15. I got a free print last week. I finally picked it up this morning, and one of these popped out of the Catalina machine. Always a year mileage may vary, but they are still printing. And then we're going to stack it with this booster, which is a 7 back when you spend 35. That's a paper. This is a digital booster. We're going to grab 2 of these Nexxus products priced at $16. Unfortunately, again, nothing was tagged at this store because I went first thing, and it's a snowstorm here, so they're on a skeleton crew, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And we are also loading load this friend, which is the 8 off of 2 digital coupon. And I know it's a larger basket, but it's all going to work out, guys, in the end. And the promotion for Nexxus this week is the $16 ones. We have that high value digital coupon, and it's a $7 register reward when you purchase 2. The final item to get us to $35 is the $1.99 Bueno and that Kinder Square as well. Okay, so the 2 Nexxus products is $32. We're short getting to that $35 mark. So we are going to throw in 2 of the Kinder products that I showed you. So the new total is $35.98, subtracting that 8 off of 2 digital for Nexxus and the $1.99 for the Kinder that I showed you in the slides previous. Scan that paper booster, have the digital booster loaded. You're going to pay $25.99 with your debit card. Get back $12 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, $7 register reward for Nexxus. Photograph your receipt to fetch for an extra 2,000 points, and then get $1.69 back from IBOTTA for that little square. So it makes the entire basket $3, which is absolutely fantastic. And let's not forget, as you're juggling 2 boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash or it's going to mess everything up. Okay, guys, final deal we're looking at is another $35 basket. We're going to scan this, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. And the digital 7 back when you spend 35. So for more advanced shoppers, if you can follow this one, it's fantastic. So for the pods, we have 2 different digital coupons. And for that Downy Calm right at 12 o'clock, We also have 2 different digital coupons, which I will show you. The promotion for this is to buy 4 different products, get back a $5 register reward, and these 2 are part of it. Again, nothing was tagged at the store, and I do apologize. So we're going to load this dollar off for the pods, and then also for the pods, there's a 205. Make sure you have that guy loaded as well. Here's a peek of them. And then for that Downy fabric softener, I was really surprised to see that there was 2 stacking, and it's this one, a $2 off and a $1 off. So load both of those. We're going to grab the Colgate deal and the Garnier deal to get us to that $35 mark. So 4 of those laundry care products at $5.49 a pop is $21.96. 2 Colgates for $8, 2 Garniers for $8. Our total is $37.96. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 5 back when you spend 15. Have your digital booster loaded. You have $13.05 in digital manufacturers melting off. 6 for the P&G laundry care, 4 for Colgate, and 3 for Garnier. So you're going to pay $24.91 with your debit card. Get back $11 in Walgreens cash, $5 register reward for P&G, a 3 for Colgate, and a 3 for Garnier, and then $12 for your 2 boosters. So it makes your haul $1.91, or basically 23 cents per Tide, which is like Olympic level couponing. And let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're juggling 2 boosters with the balance. That is it for the video, guys. Please be careful on the roads, especially if they were snowy, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.